Are you guys excited today? Wow. Grabe naman yung energy. Pinoy Pakinggan! Oh, dami! Wow. Amazing. This is our first time here in Hawaii. And you guys, grabe ang energy. Thank you for the warm welcome. Alam niyo yung Hawaii parang Pinas lang eh. Tama na. Tama? Diba parang Hawaii lang? Ay parang Hawaii. Parang Pinas lang. Ang ganda ng beach dito kasi ang ganda nyo lang. Yeah. But yeah, again, welcome to our live sound check. So, we hope you guys are having fun. Are you guys having fun? Yung mga taga-Hawaii ba, magaling pumarty? So, are you guys ready to party? Okay, dahil dyan, here's our second song. Everyone, Dungka, let's go!